So with all of these people coming into smaller communities, we found in the 2000s that educators and school boards from all over the province really were not servicing their English language learners effectively. And there wasn't the parent lobbying group. So various education lobbying groups started to do surveys and reports. The Ontario Public School Boards Association did a report about the vast disparity in the number of ESL teachers around the province in different school boards. And a group called People for Education, which is a grassroots community lobbying group, did a report showing that schools were losing ESL teachers. A lot of this got a good deal of media coverage. And the government of Ontario decided to respond, and rightly so, to this media coverage by launching their own study of what was going on in various school boards in Ontario. And that was done through an arm's length organization that we have in Ontario called the Office of the Auditor General of Ontario. And the Auditor General's job is to audit and look at how effectively any provincial program is being delivered in the province. Anything from driver's license registrations to liquor control boards, to public schools, to healthcare, anything that's controlled by the province. So in 2005, they did an audit. They audited several school boards in the province, and the audit consisted of in-depth discussions with people from the Auditor General's office about how we support English language learners. The Toronto District School Board was one of the school boards chosen to be audited, along with several other school boards. And they sent their staff around to different schools to observe, to find out how many ESL teachers were in different schools, in different school boards in the province. And they also sent reps at our urging to the Provincial Coordinators Advocacy Group, where they heard from people from school boards that didn't even have any ESL teachers, although they had English language learners. And all of this resulted in a report coming out in 2005 on the delivery of English as a second language and English literacy development programs in the province. And when the Auditor General releases a report, it's big news. It's on all the nightly TV news shows and in the newspaper, and the government has to respond. And so they responded to the suggestions of the 2005 report, which showed that there was a great disparity in how English language learners were being supported by, in 2007, introducing the first ever ministry policy to cover English language learners. And that's how it came about, and that's the policy that we work under today.